Want to secure funding for your business or nonprofit, but don't know how to write a winning grant proposal? You're not alone. Most applications get rejected because they don't follow a proven structure. But today, I'm breaking down the exact formula that successful grant proposals use, so you can increase your approval chances and finally secure that funding. And if you want expert-backed support to make sure your proposal stands out, stick around, because I'll introduce you to a powerful platform that can handle it all for you. Let's dive in. First up, your executive summary. This is the first thing reviewers see, so it needs to be clear, compelling, and straight to the point. Who are you? Briefly introduce your business or nonprofit. What do you need? Clearly state the amount of funding you're requesting. Why does it matter? Explain how your project will create impact. Think of this as your elevator pitch. If it doesn't grab attention, your application might not even get read. The problem statement. This is where you prove why your project matters. Use data and statistics to back up your claim. Make it personal. Stories and real-life examples make a big difference. Show the urgency. Why does this need funding right now? Grant reviewers want to see that you're solving a real problem, so make them care. Now, it's time to sell your solution. Describe your project in detail. Break it down into phases or milestones. Show how their funding will be used effectively. Make it clear, realistic, and measurable. Reviewers love proposals with a strong plan of action. The budget. Here's where most applicants lose funding. The budget section. Be specific. Outline exactly how every dollar will be used. Align spending with your goals. Make sure it matches your proposal. Keep it realistic. Don't overestimate or under budget. A well-structured budget shows that you're responsible and capable of handling the funds effectively. End your proposal with a powerful conclusion. Summarize why your project is important. Reinforce your passion and dedication. Thank the reviewers and invite follow-up discussions. A strong closing can leave a lasting impression and increase your chances of getting funded. All right, let's be real. Grant writing is tough. It's time-consuming, frustrating, and let's not even talk about those confusing application requirements. But what if I told you there's a way to skip the stress and still secure funding? Meet grantfunds.com, the game-changing platform that takes the guesswork out of grant writing. They have expert grant writers who can craft a winning proposal for you. Professional grant writers who know what funders are looking for. AI-powered tools to streamline your search and application process. If you want to increase your chances of getting funded without the stress, let the experts at grantfunds.com handle the hard work for you. Click the link in the description and start your funding journey today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest challenge with grant writing? Let's talk about it. And don't forget to follow grantfunds.com on all social media platforms for expert insights, funding alerts, and game-changing grant writing tips. Your business deserves the best chance at success. Get started with grantfunds.com today. See you in the next video.